Smart investors, welcome back to my channel. I remain your girl Kanye Ohms, bringing you affordable properties with flexible payment plans. Welcome to Jasper Estate Housing. Step into the vibrant cityscape of Jasper Katy Estate, USA through this mesmerizing 3D video representation. Explore the intricate details of its bustling streets, towering skyscrapers, and diverse communities as the city comes to life in stunning three-dimensional realism. This is an estate developed by GText Holdings. Ensure to do sufficient research before purchasing any property. So, let this immersive experience transport you to the heart of one of America's most dynamic urban landscapes. So are you a Nigerian in diaspora searching for a plot of land in USA? I bring to you Jasper Estate Housing, where you can own a plot or more for residential or commercial reasons. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates.